Hi guys, I am Ayushi and welcome to my channel. Today I am in the pink city of Rajasthan, Jaipur, and I am at the most Instagrammable spot of Jaipur, the Patrika Gate.
So, Jaipur is built on the principles of Vastu Shastra, and initially it had only 7 gates, but because 9 is considered to be a very auspicious number, like Navratri, 2 more gates were added and this gate is one of them. There are musical fountain show in the evening every day. Also people come here for skating, jogging or photo shoots. Then we headed to this another beautiful place called Panna Meena Ka Kund. So back in the 16th century, this kund was built where water was being collected during monsoon season and was used later on, just like our modern rainwater harvesting systems. Jaipur has some very interesting forts, so we are now at the Nahargarh Fort, which is one of the biggest forts here. The entry fees of this place is ₹50 per person. You get an amazing view of the city from the terrace here. So apparently it is believed that a dead prince, Nahar Singh's spirit was disrupting the construction of this fort. The spirit agreed to leave on the condition that the fort was named after him, hence the name Nahargarh Fort. No guys, don't get scared of the spirit, otherwise you will miss this gorgeous sunset from the sunset point, which is around 300 meters walk from the fort, and the entry fees of this place is 100 rupees per person. Also, there is a restaurant inside the sunset point where you can enjoy your dinner or a drink or two with this beautiful sunset. And with this, we end our day 1 in the Pink City. Day 2 was a shopping day for us, so we headed to the colourful Johari Bazaar, and as the name says, this market is famous for its unique jewellery, but it also offers some amazing Rajasthani printed dupattas, suits, Jaipuri juttis, handicraft items and whatnot. So come, let's shop. So now let's go to my favorite shop from where I buy all my Rajasthani print dupattas, suits, bedsheets, etc. I'll leave the shop details in the description box below. So whoever visits Jaipur definitely comes to Tapri once, and apart from its very famous Kadak Chai and Tadka Maggi, this place also has its retail store. This place offers a variety of products from clothing items to handbags, skincare, utensils, organic food products, homemade diaries, indoor plants, and the list goes on and on. And the staff was kind enough to let me shoot inside the place for you guys and also explain me in detail about each and every product.
मार्दी उनको इंटरनेशनल अवार्ड मिला हुआ है और हैंड ब्लॉक प्रिंटेड है ये सारे। इनके कलर्स जो हैं वो बिल्कुल भी नहीं जाते, जैसे कॉटन में ज़्यादातर क्या होता है कलर्स निकलते हैं धुलाई के टाइम, तो इनमें कलर्स नहीं निकलते।
And with this, we come to the end of the episode 1 of Jaipur series. In the next episode, you will see me trying delicious food in Jaipur, so stay tuned. कहते हैं अगर किसी शहर को बहुत करीब से जानना हो तो you should have a random walk on the streets of the city and definitely try its local food. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and today in this video I am going to tell you the food stories of Jaipur. So come, let's begin. किसी भी चाय लवर के लिए दिन की शुरुआत तो बिना चाय के हो ही नहीं सकती है, तो हम पहुंच गए जयपुर की सबसे फेमस और पुरानी चाय की दुकान पर, गुलाब जी चाय वाले. This place is the hidden gem of Jaipur, serving quality food since so many years. तो हमने ट्राई किया इनका बन मस्का, बन समोसा और चाय, and I must say that this classic combination was to die for. I would rate this place a 10 on 10. So if you have short of time and want to try food of all the iconic places of Jaipur, then you can come to this place called Masala Chowk. This place has all the famous eatery shops in the city under one roof. So come, let's check out this place. It is very close to Albert Hall Museum and the entry ticket is ₹10 per person. तो राजस्थान आए और राजस्थानी स्पेशल थाली ना ट्राई करे ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता है, तो हमने भी शुरुआत की ये स्पेशल थाली के साथ एंड यू कैन क्लियरली सी द एक्साइटमेंट ऑन माय फेस टू ट्राई इट आउट. और ये दाल बाटी चूरमा खा के तो हमें मजा ही आ गया. इसके बाद हमने ट्राई किए ये छोले भटूरे जो काफी ओके थे टेस्ट में. And then we had our last dish here, which was this chocolate sundae. Oh my god, this dessert was full of chocolates bursting in our mouth. So I would rate this place a 9 for its food and variety. So for dinner we headed to this cafe called Beerlicious, which is situated in Malviya Nagar. It was quite a nice place to unwind your day with this rooftop ambience and delicious food. So I would rate this place an 8, and with this we end our day 1. If you ask me where to come in Jaipur for some fabulous range of teas and amazing Indian snacks, I'll bring you here to Tapri. This is one of the most fun places that you can come to in Jaipur. It's on the Prithviraj Road at the sea scheme with a wonderful view of the Central Park. और डे 2 की भी शुरुआत हुई चाय से, वो भी टपरी की कड़क मसालेदार चाय. वाह, मजा आ गया. Then we tried some cheesy shots which are bursting with cheese into the mouth and some hot and spicy tadka Maggi. So this is the place you must come to and I would definitely rate it a 10 on 10. इसके बाद हम पहुंच गए जौहरी बाजार कुल्लड़ वाली ठंडी ठंडी लस्सी ट्राई करने, और यहाँ आकर लस्सी वाले की लस्सी ट्राई करना इज अ मस्ट. एंड आई वुड रेट दिस लस्सी अ 10.
The best lassi ever.
And to end our day, we came to this cafe called Tattoo Cafe right opposite to the Hawa Mahal to enjoy this delicious pizza and spaghetti with this evening view, which was such a treat to the eyes. is how stunning the Palace of Winds looks in the evening. With this, we end our Jaipur trip here. Let me know in the comment section below which dish made you hungry, and see you in the next episode of Rajasthan series. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, The Edible Tripper.
दिन ना आए वो क्यों, तुम मिलोगे जब यूं, जाऊं मैं कोना कोना ये जहां, तू है कहाँ, ढूंढूं मैं वो ही मेरे दिल की जुबान, जाने जा। जाने जा।
Hi guys, Khamma Gani and welcome back to my channel. We are in the golden city of Rajasthan, Jaisalmer. So we are staying at the Le Royal Camp Resort in Sam Sand Dunes, right in the middle of the desert. And look how beautiful this resort is. We booked this resort through Thrilophilia and it included our accommodation, food, desert activities and folk performances. और फिर हम चल दिए कैमल सफारी पे सैम सैंड ड्यून्स में एंड आई मस्ट से इट वाज वन हेल ऑफ एन एक्सपीरियंस। और हमारे कैमल का नाम था जेठालाल। जस्ट लुक एट दिस व्यू। You know, Thar Desert is also called the Great Indian Desert and it is the 17th largest desert in the world. You can also do desert activities like camel run, jeep safari, quad biking, parasailing and many more with the prior booking with your resort. After after enjoying the sunset, we went back to our resort and were welcomed in a special Rajasthani way. And this was our evening setup. Bonfire with some folk performances, some yummy snacks and soup.
है जिसमें छोटी मोटी सालियां न हो, ये हमारी महफिल भी क्या है जिसमें आपकी प्यार भरी तालियां न हो।
And after having that perfect Rajasthani evening, we headed for dinner. And the one thing for which I would recommend you this resort would be its yummy, tasty and delicious food. सो नेक्स्ट डे की शुरुआत हुई इस यमी ब्रेकफास्ट के साथ और हम चल दिए जैसलमेर सिटी एक्सप्लोर करने। Bidding this resort a goodbye, and in the next episode you will see what made me surprised in this city, so stay tuned. Till then, don't forget to like, share and please subscribe to my channel The Edible Tripper for more such fun and interesting videos.
वे रोटी दे बहाने वे मिलनी तरस जागी सदा नहीं मिलता तो करके मनाई वे मेरा लौंग वाचा
कितने साड़ी तुम भी
पश्चिमी भारत के कोने में मखमली रेत के टीलों से रेगिस्तान से स्वर्ग है बनाया जिसको है मरुभूमि सब कहते उसको रेगिस्तान से स्वर्ग है बनाया जिसको है मरुभूमि सब कहते उसको पर्यटकों ने सराहा है नागरिकों ने उसे संवारा है प्रकृति ने बनाया है सोने सा उसको है स्वर्ण नगरी सब कहते उसको राणा जैसल ने सींचा लहू से जिसको है जैसलमेर सब कहते उसको है जैसलमेर सब कहते उसको Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and we are in the जैसलमेर city today. So सबसे पहले हम पहुंच गए गद्दीसर लेक पर This artificial lake has a historic importance as it is the only water source in Jaisalmer and provides water to the entire town. After a peaceful boat ride, we went for lunch at this restaurant called Romani Restaurant with a view of the Golden Fort. और लास्ट वीडियो में मैंने आपसे कहा था कि जैसलमेर सिटी में मैं सरप्राइज हो गई थी, तो यही है वो जगह। आपको बहुत ही सुंदर सुंदर राजस्थानी प्रिंट्स, जुत्तीज, हैंडीक्राफ्ट आइटम्स और बहुत कुछ मिलेगा। जैसे ये साड़ी जो आप वीडियो में देख रहे हैं वो बनी है कस्टर्ड एप्पल प्लांट के फाइबर्स से। यहाँ पर शूटिंग अलाउड नहीं है, सो आई कुडंट कैप्चर मच बिकॉज दे डोंट वांट देयर आर्ट टू गेट स्टोलन। और अब हम आ गए हैं द वेरी फेमस गोल्डन फोर्ट में, जिसे सोना हुआ जैसलमेर सिटी का सफर। मैं मिलूंगी आपसे एक नए वीडियो के साथ। टिल देन डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल द एडिबल रिटर्न। Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another episode of Rajasthan series. We are in Jodhpur today, the Blue City. So we started our day in the Blue City by visiting this restaurant called Indique Restaurant at the Pal Haveli. This restaurant provides the magnificent view of the Mehrangarh Fort. And this is the view I was talking about, the Mehrangarh Fort. शाम के टाइम यहाँ पे बहुत ही रश बढ़ जाता है, so make sure कीजिएगा आप अपनी टेबल पहले से रिजर्व करें। तो हमने यहाँ पे ऑर्डर किया राजस्थान की स्पेशल गट्टा कड़ी, और सच बताऊँ तो ये एडिटिंग करते करते भी मेरे मुंह में पानी आ गया, ये इतनी टेस्टी थी। And to discover the more of Blue City, we took a walk in the main market, that is Sardar Market, and witnessed the iconic clock tower in the middle of Sardar Market. So इतने हेवी लंच के बाद तो सबसे बेस्ट तरीका है मेहरानगढ़ फोर्ट जाने का इज बाय वॉक। सो हम भी निकल पड़े जोधपुर के मार्केट्स एक्सप्लोर करते करते मेहरानगढ़ फोर्ट की तरफ। यू कैन ऑल्सो टेक ऑटो रिक्शा टू रीच द फोर्ट, द रूट इज डिफरेंट फॉर दैट। कितने सुंदर है ये वाइब्रेंट ब्लू हाउसेस। देयर इज अ रीजन बिहाइंड दीज ब्लू हाउसेस व्हाई दे आर पेंटेड ब्लू। ओ हेलो भैया, नमस्ते। एक बात तो माननी पड़ेगी, इतने वेलकमिंग है यहाँ के लोग। मैं जब से जोधपुर आई हूँ मुझे इतने स्वीट और इतने हेल्पफुल लोग मिल रहे कि मैं बता नहीं सकती। तो चलते हैं अब मेहरानगढ़ फोर्ट एक्सप्लोर करने। एंट्री फीस यहाँ की 120 रुपीज पर पर्सन है, और ये सुबह 9 बजे से शाम की 5 बजे तक ओपन रहता है। सो मैं आपको बता रही थी व्हाई पीपल हैव पेंटेड देयर हाउसेस ब्लू। It's because it gets so hot during the summer time that they painted their houses blue to keep it cool, and that's how it is called the Blue City. I think someone is playing Rajasthani folk music. Wow, come let's check it out. These are all the palkis in which Maharajas were carried for short distances. So this fort is so huge, we took a break and had a little photo session. Follow me on Instagram to see more of such amazing pictures. Link is in the description box below. Phool Mahal, the Palace of Flowers. This hall was specially used by Maharajas for some events, dance performances or meetings. The speciality of this room is its hand-painted gold ceilings, delicate colors and stained glass windows. This hall is undoubtedly the grandest period room in Mehrangarh. और ये है जोधपुर के महाराजा तखत सिंह जी का रूम और इसीलिए इसका नाम है तखत विलास. This room was made at the last in 1843. So the fun fact is, जिन महाराजा का आप ये रूम देख रहे हैं, जोधपुर के इतिहास में सबसे कम शादियां करने वाले यही महाराजा थे. इनकी सिर्फ 59 महारानियां थी. Yes, only 59. और फाइनली खत्म हुआ मेहरानगढ़ फोर्ट का सफर. यहाँ पे एंड में शॉपिंग सेंटर है जहाँ पे आपको जोधपुर के फेमस हैंडीक्राफ्ट आइटम्स, क्लोथिंग, एसेसरीज, ट्रेडिशनल जुत्तीज और बहुत कुछ मिल सकता है. और ये है जोधपुर का वर्ल्ड फेमस मिर्ची वड़ा. कैन यू बिलीव इट? This snack is so famous in Jodhpur that it eats more than 1 lakh mirchi vadas every single day during the rainy season. हमारे पास सिर्फ एक ही दिन था जोधपुर सिटी में, so we could cover only this much. On a sweet note, I'll end the vlog here. See you in the next episode of Rajasthan series. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, The Edible Tripper. Channel. Thank you so much for loving my weekly vlog. So I'm back with another vlog, but this time I'll take you through my day. I'm at this beautiful place called Artist House. It is a co-working space, restaurant, hotel, and I love this place, so I'll take you around and give you a mini tour too. But first, let's have some delicious food. So we have ordered some honey chili potatoes, some nachos, some pizza, some mocktails and some paneer tikka. Can you hear that crunch? Amazing. Now let's have some garden pulse. It has a very refreshing cucumber flavor. अब ट्राई करते हैं पनीर टिक्का. पनीर काफी सॉफ्ट है और ये ग्रीन चटनी स्टार है इस डिश की. नाउ लेट्स ट्राई दिस वर्जिन चिली कोरिएंडर मार्टिनी. बहुत ही टैंगी है और इसमें एक हिंट है चिली का. अब ट्राई करते हैं पिज्जा. इसका क्रस्ट काफी थिन है जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं. अब टेस्ट करते हैं. Quite flavorful. Now come along with me and I'll show you the entire place. This is the main central area. द बार एरिया. थिएटर एरिया की सिटिंग से अब चलते हैं ओपन स्पेस सिटिंग में. The Artist House. This place is set in the striking 80-year-old theatre building called Picture Palace. I'm sure उदयपुर के लोगों की बहुत सारी यादें जुड़ी होंगी इस जगह से. यहाँ पे थिएटर हुआ करता था. Picture Palace had this legacy of performing arts. So उसी थीम पे इंस्पायर्ड होके आर्टिस्ट हाउस बना है और ये एरिया यूज होता है डीजे परफॉर्मेंसेस, वोकल आर्टिस्ट और स्टोरी टेलिंग सेशंस के लिए. ये वाली जो स्पेस है ये काफी बड़ी गैदरिंग अकोमोडेट कर सकती है क्योंकि इसमें 3 टेयर्स है. तो जो लोग डांस फ्लोर पे डांस करना पसंद करते हैं वो इस वाली लेयर में रह सकते हैं. जो लोग थोड़ी प्राइवेसी और ज्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करना चाहते हैं वो सेकंड वाली लेयर में रह सकते हैं और वीआईपी के लिए है वो टॉप मोस्ट स्पेस. This poolside area is inspired by the French Pondicherry style architecture
with water body in the middle and tropical vibes on the sides. Now this is banana caramel chocolate pizza. Can you believe it? And ये इनके मेन्यू में नया ऐड हुआ है and I'm the first one trying it. So let's see how it tastes. Amazing. Like that chocolate flavor, that crunch from the walnut. Amazing. It's time for a room tour. अगर आपको आपकी ड्रिंक एंजॉय करनी है तो आप ये पूल साइड में एंजॉय कर सकते हैं. और अगर आपको रूम के साथ पूल भी एंजॉय करना है तो आप यहाँ आ सकते हैं. और डिश जो इनके डेजर्ट मेन्यू में न्यूली ऐड हुई है वो है ये कैरमल एप्पल पिज्जा. लेट्स ट्राई नाउ. It has a very unique flavor with cream cheese base, caramel at the top with some apples and choco chips. I haven't tried something like this before. So I have Mr. Naveen, the General Manager of Artist House India with me, and I'll ask him a bit about the Artist House. Hi Mr. Naveen.
Hello.
So why this name?
See, Artist House, the concept behind this name is like inviting all the local artists and the international as well as the Indian artists over here to perform and give the same taste and the same experience which people have expected from this place a long time back, because this used to be an 80-year-old theatre which is converted into a boutique property. So currently, as you can see, we have got 29 rooms over here. We have got 4 different categories of the rooms, like deluxe room, deluxe superior rooms, deluxe rooms with balcony, and 2 suite rooms also here. Apart from that, as you can see, we have got one lounge, which is the main theatre building, where there is a projection room as well, where from the projection used to be at the wall. And keeping the same concept alive, this name has been kept Artist House.
And the design is very unique in terms of the cafes of Udaipur. So what is the thought behind this beautiful design and the separate sections it has?
Right. So first of all, I would like to introduce the designer as well of this property. The name is Anjali. The name is Anjali, and she designed this property, and she has done lots of ventures with us. And this theme is actually, and that's true at the center and at the heart of the city. The main concept behind it was to give the local, the localite a place to sit down and relax, having the environment like a tropical environment inside. Sitting at the heart of the city, you are getting that vibe of you're sitting in Goa somewhere with all tropical vibe all around you. So that was the main concept behind, having this concept on board.
That's great. Thank you, Mr. Naveen, for having us. It was a pleasure, and the hospitality was amazing.
Thank you. Pleasure is all.
Thank you.
They also serve late night in this separate eat out section called Pizzeria. So here is the surprise. I have a special discount code of flat 15% only for my EDT family. You just have to show this video to them and let them know that you have come through this, and don't forget to tag me on Instagram. Enjoy! So that's it for this video. If you are in Udaipur, do check out this amazing place. And if you like this video, share it with your friends and family and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm out and about with my friends, so I'll take you along and show glimpse of the city of lakes, Udaipur. So we are going at this place called Jug Mandir, which is a palace built on an island in the Lake Pichola. सो जग मंदिर पहुंचने के लिए आपको जाना होगा सिटी पैलेस कॉम्प्लेक्स में, जहां की एंट्री टिकट है ₹30 पर पर्सन, और वहां से बंसी घाट जेट्टी से बोट राइड लेनी होगी, जो कि आपको 20 to 30 मिनट्स में जग मंदिर पहुंचा देगी। यहाँ पे अंदर पार्किंग फैसिलिटी भी अवेलेबल है, एंड द टाइमिंग फॉर जग मंदिर इज 10 AM to 6 PM फ्रॉम मंडे टू संडे। सो हम गए थे लंच पे, जिसके कवर चार्जेस थे 999 प्लस टैक्सेस, विच इंक्लूडेड बोट राइड एंड बुफे। So our boat has arrived. Let's go. Jug Mandir was constructed over a period of time by 3 Maharanas of the Mewar kingdom and was completed by Maharana Jagat Singh, so was named after him as Jug Mandir. So as you come close to the majestic Jug Mandir Palace, you cannot deny the fact that you have landed on a paradise. कढ़ाई पनीर, दम आलू, मखाना मेथी मलाई, दाल तड़का, jeera rice, naan, gulab jamun and chocolate pastry for desserts. The food was delicious, everything was on point, especially this corn soup, makhana methi malai and dum aloo. I've been here twice recently and the food was delicious each time. My only disappointment was the variety in the buffet. But I guess the prices have reduced in the COVID times, so they have reduced the variety too. इतना ज़्यादा टेस्टी खाना खाने के बाद हम लोग लिटरली बैठ गए फॉर लाइक हाफ एन आवर एज वी कुडंट मूव. One of the best features of architecture in Jagmandir are these life-size elephants which are made of marble. It is designed and crafted magnificently. Every nook and corner, interior and exterior is royalty at its best. The beautiful garden courtyard is as mesmerizing as anything else in the Jagmandir area, and it is through this garden area that this palace is also known as Lake Garden Palace. It has Dari Khana restaurant, garden, museum, Gul Mahal to enjoy inside. Then we went to witness the museum inside the palace, which displays and retains some of the most important parts of the history of Mewar dynasty and culture. This is a must visit for historians who love to know about the places and the kings. So you can pause the video and read about them. So fun fact, Shah Jahan took quite a few ideas from the Jagmandir construction to put into the Taj Mahal. ये वाले गार्डन एरिया में काफी सारे वेडिंग इवेंट्स, पार्टीज, ओकेजन्स सेलिब्रेट होते हैं एंड रवीना टंडन वाज द फर्स्ट वन टू गेट मैरिड हियर. We had a lovely time here. Then we went to our next destination, that is this restaurant called the Whistling Teal. This place had the finest ambience and aesthetics to suit every mood. This was the perfect evening with magnificent views, and we also spotted some peacocks. So हमने ऑर्डर किया था ये हनी चिली पनीर, which was quite delicious and is a must try here. Then we ordered some fries and hot chocolate, and the hot chocolate was quite okay in taste. And this is how the inside sitting area looks like. And this is the view from the rooftop. This place has some amazing views of infinity pool and beautiful colors of sky, so you can come here for some chill vibes with your friends and family. So that's it for this highly requested video. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you like the video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more such interesting videos. See you in the next one. Bye bye.